this is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. It's Thursday, so you know what we do. Let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. Yesterday the market was just dropping. Why? Because of Fed rate, interest rates, or inflation rates. You see, so we saw NASDAQ going down, US30 going down, everything mostly. S&P 500 and other one which correlates with them, they just sold off. So sometimes you just have to go check economic news. You can go to investing.com, forexfactory.com, or maybe CNBC. There are so many economic news that you can check on your internet. So here, since NASDAQ is dropping, I'm expecting NASDAQ to reach this level or maybe this level. So let me show you the level that I'm thinking that NASDAQ can reach is 13,720 or 13,000, let's say 888. Yeah, 13,888 is where I think NASDAQ can retest there or respect those areas. Why? Because those areas were resistant before, so now they can be our support. So let's see here, something like this, you see. So if, let me zoom that for you so that you can see. So if, let me just draw that. If we see NASDAQ respecting this area, why I say this area, because you can see here we have the market retested here several times. Even now the market did the same thing, you see. So, and from the level that I've drawn here, you can see it was a very nice support. Then NASDAQ broke this area. Then we are here now. You can see now it's trying to push up, but remember it's still early. It can still push lower. If it does push lower, we can expect the market to respect this zone. Let me do this so that you see the bigger picture. Let me remove that. So this area is an area of resistance. Now it can be our support. You can see the market is respecting this area. Why? Because the market also respected this area previously. So even now you can see I'm on a 3 hour. Even if I go to 4 hour, you can see that. Even if on an hour, you will see so many candles here. So I expect NASDAQ to play around here, maybe trying to push up. But since we are on this bearish momentum, now it's a bearish because we are under this support. So it means since we come back, before we come back here, we can see the market is trying to move, to push lower, you see. So what can we expect again? If this this support now is not respected, we can see NASDAQ pushing lower. Maybe it will come and respect this area and push. I don't just expect the market to sell off like there's something going on. The market won't just crash that easily at the moment, but you know what, everything is possible. So if the market if the market doesn't respect this one, I expect the market to come here and try to bounce back again. This is a very nice breakout, guys, but sometimes it's not safe to sell this indices, this NASDAQ, because when it comes back crazy. So it's crazy to sell this thing, so you have to be cautious. That's why I just like buying. I'm not saying I don't lose when I buy, but most of the time when I buy, it always come in my favor, even if sometimes it goes against me, but mostly I'm always on the favor because the market was just pushing up. But here I'm just going to wait. So it means today my analysis is like this. I'm no longer going to count this, so I have to remove that. So let me remove that. So my network is very bad. I don't know what's really happening. This network service, they are very relaxed. We just buy enough data, but we don't really enjoy using them because they're very slow. They're just weak. I don't know if maybe there's maintenance or something, but it's been some time now. So you see, at the moment we are here. So let's see, let me focus on here. I know that if it breaks here, it will come around this area. I'll focus around this area, but for now, because it's a daily analysis, I will just focus on this one. Let me just do that. I'll just focus on this one. So what we expect here, maybe we can expect the market to move like this for now, for this resistance here. But remember, we can still have maybe another new trend which can also make sense. Let me clear that. We can have another trend which can also make sense, something like this. Let's try to connect this. You can see 1, 2 and 3. If we connect them, they can still make sense, guys. So it means we can move with that. You see, let's try to do that. Let's try to connect this. Oh, it seems like even if I do that, it seems like the market just broken that. So let me try to draw that from here and try to connect. So you see, this is like I'm forcing the market to give me the structure that I want. So it means, let me just do something like this as a dotted line. As a dotted line, let me do something like that. Yeah, something like this. So we can see even here it seems to be a breakout. Let me just go to a bit smaller time frame and see if that really makes sense. Yes, it does really make sense. You can see that, guys. So it means what I was trying to tell you now, it can happen. Since this is it's also another breakout. We had a breakout on top there. Even here, it's another breakout. Let's see. You must relax when you do your analysis, because if you are always in a hurry, it means you will miss some other good stuff, and when you check them later, they will just there in your eyes, but you saw whatever that you wanted to see. So let me take a call, guys. So if I removed everything, it's like this now. It means, I want you to see that, it means we had a nice breakout again here. Oh, sorry. It's a nice breakout again here. This is a breakout. This is a retest. You can see that. It means the market can still go lower. So it means now we have to go back and draw our second resistance that we think the market can reach. Even if here we see there's a point, but here it's a very nice breakout, so we can't ignore that. So this area or this zone, this zone is where we should expect the market to come back and play around there. So let me just make this one like this, as a line like that. You see, so it means, let me zoom that. It means bearish momentum is very strong at the moment. So what I'm expecting is, you see this zone, I'm expecting the market to reach this area now. You see, it's 13,770 or 730, between there. So this area is where we're going to just watch and see if maybe the market will reach there. But even this zone here, since we've broken here, maybe it can try to consolidate here, but I think maybe the market can reach this area, 13,770, between 770 and 730. So this area is where I think the market can bounce here before maybe we can see the market going up. If it breaks this one, it's a different story. Then it means the market will just go lower. We'll analyze that when that time comes. You see, Yes, so when that time comes, we will analyze that. So today I just have to talk about what might happen going forward. Since we have this breakout, don't take it slightly. The market can still drop, so we have to wait for this nice support here. But even this one, it's a resistance which the market can also respect. Anything is possible, guys. Don't have just one option. So let's go to an hour and see if maybe that can really confirm with whatever that I'm trying to say here. Let's try. You can see, even if, let's say, even if I try to do something like this, you can see that it can really respect this area, because you can see candlesticks really bounced from that area. So but I don't think maybe it's a very strong one, because it's a very close to a breakout, and here it's just a retest. Then maybe we can see next day going lower before maybe around this area going up again, maybe tomorrow, or maybe today's Thursday, yeah, maybe tomorrow maybe can reach here. Even today it can reach this area. You know how NASDAQ does move. So I think we can expect a bearish momentum this week, so that maybe the market can refresh. Then we can have another nice buy. Maybe the market will move to 14,000 or more than that. Then we will see what happens. So don't miss tomorrow's analysis, because it might be very important. We might see what we can do. We can hold trades up to maybe next week, you see. Thank you. Let me go to US30 and see what's happening on US30. Let's Okay, here is US30, and we also have another breakout. So you can see the market was just moving nicely on an uptrend. So now this is a breakout, but I don't see a retest there. Maybe we will see a retest before the market go lower, but I expect maybe the market will come and respect maybe this area around 33,400. 33,400. I think maybe the market can come around this area and maybe bounce back. Why? Because I have an area here. If you can draw that, let me just draw that properly so that you can see. Actually, when we try to find some nice entries or some nice, because when the market is moving like this, it's because of Fed rate. So we just have to know where maybe the market will find that cushion or those breaks, and those breaks or that wall, it will be around this area. Don't kill me if maybe it doesn't reach this area, because guys, I'm not those guys who call themselves gurus. I'm not a guru. I'm just doing the analysis, you see. So since we broken this sorry, since we broken this area here, let me okay, since we broken this support here, and we don't have any support maybe around this area, I don't think so. So I think maybe the one that we have, it's around the 33,400 around this here. It's where we can get maybe another support, because I can see here, even here, it's also the one, because it is a zone, and I see another resistance here. So the market maybe can come, they can still sell off, but don't expect the market just to come straight. I think the market can just play around going lower until it reaches this area before it can maybe bounce back, you see. But what we can do now is to watch. If you did not get the sell here, it's fine. I did not do anything because I had a very nice buy. I made profit even on NASDAQ, but it was early when the market is opening. But later on, when they announced the whatever the interest rates, I was already out with my nice profit. So here I just have to wait and see what's really happening. Please, guys, when we say wait, it's not like we don't want you to make money. We want you to make money, but safely. Wait for the market, then make money. You see, to make money on Forex is not like gambling. You don't have to play so many, like you don't have to take so many chances. You just wait for the right one and you take it. If you lose, it's fine, but at least you planned for that trade. Don't just say now it's selling, it's time to sell. When it comes back, you know, have that idea. Okay, the market will come here and do. Remember, guys, this strategy, when I analyze, it's not like it's complete. There is a self-discipline on it. There is risk management. Those things, they all fall, they make this strategy very powerful. Those lot sizes that I use, small lot sizes, those stop loss that I use, everything that when you combine with this simple trends, lines, resistance and support, they make my strategy very powerful. But by following that only, and when the market reaches this area, you just buy, you over risk, and maybe sometimes you make money, the other day you lose, but you will just lose everything because you don't apply everything. So the strategy is not complete by drawing only trends line. Even if maybe you use a different strategy by drawing trends line, resistance, support, demand and supply, whatever, head and shoulder, it's not complete if when you place your order you place crazy lot sizes, you don't place stop losses, you just want to get quick cash. Then to me, you are an amateur. You don't have to do that. If you see yourself doing that, to me you are an amateur. You don't really know what you are doing, you see. So waiting for the market, it doesn't mean that you won't make enough money. You will make enough money, but the best thing is you are safe. You don't lose anything. Actually, the market will feel it will be much safer or much easier when you apply your risk, because you are not even in a pressure. You see, you just do everything quite simple. You don't push yourself when the market doesn't give you like any opportunity, you see. So enough with the preaching, let's go straight to gold and see what can happen here. We're just waiting on US30. We're just waiting for the market to reach this area and push up. If it doesn't come here, it will give us, it will create another structure around this area. We will see what we can do. We will see on our daily analysis what we can do, but now we don't see anything. We just have to wait. We can't force things. We can't force trades. We will just focus on something else, maybe currency pair or maybe gold. Maybe it's creating some nice moves. We will see what it's really happening. You see, we don't force trades here. Why? Because we're professionals, guys. If your mentor just force you to trade every day or whatever, just know that something is wrong. You can't force opportunities. Opportunity, they come whenever they want. You don't force them. They come to you and you take that chance. So here we are on gold. It's gold, you see. Here it's gold, you see, it's selling. It means that dollar is very strong. When dollar is very strong, NASDAQ, you will see NASDAQ selling, US30 selling, and gold selling. So gold, US30, S&P 500, whatever, US30, NASDAQ, they correlate, guys, because they are trading. It's like they're trading against gold, so they are backed by gold. So you can see it's gold spot and slash US dollar. So it means now dollar is very strong. That's why you see the market going lower. So why? It's because of yesterday's. I didn't watch the CNBC news when Powell was talking, but I know it means whatever that they were talking about, they were not good for gold or S&P 500 or NASDAQ, but for US dollar, obviously it was good because you can see dollar is very strong. But where can we expect that support? I'm trying to check here because it seems like gold is just breaking everything. So where can we expect something? Maybe we can expect something from this area or this area. So the best thing that we can do is to wait for it to show that to ourselves. We don't have to push anything. We will wait for gold to show us if maybe it will respect this area. If it doesn't show us a proper bouncing or bounce back here, maybe it can break this area and come around there. So what we can do around the market today is to wait, because there is those effect, Fed interest rate effect, is still on, it's still very strong. That's why you see the market is still pushing lower from there. Even if maybe we go to a bit smaller time frame, I think maybe we will still see similar stuff. You can see even on this hour the market was still pushing lower. You can see that. So it seems like the effect is still there. So let's wait, let's gold create those moves and see where it's creating those levels. If maybe it's going to create the level here, we will see the market maybe trying to bounce from here. If not, we will see the market breaking here and pushing up. So it means today we just have to relax, watch other things. We will check currency pairs and maybe Euro 40, sorry, Euro 50, France 40, whatever, and see what they are doing, because we also trade them. Guys, I have a special VIP where we trade gold, NASDAQ, US30, S&P 500, DAX 30, everything, oil, whatever. It's now $50. If you want to join the group, let me know. Check my WhatsApp on my description. If you want to join like starter pack where we just trade only three things, NASDAQ, US30 and gold, it's only $30. It's one-time fee. You pay once, then you're done, guys. You're done. So let me know. Check my description. Don't be afraid to ask, guys. You can ask, then you can make maybe your payments via PayPal or my bank account, so I will let you know. Or check my Telegram group. Check there, because if you ask people, there's people who are trying to be me. They creating fake groups. They just want to be like me, but I don't know if a mentor is mentoring you, but he doesn't even have an analysis video on YouTube or somewhere. How do you feel? Do you think maybe that guy is like legit? Anyway, that one you will think by yourself. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.